Oh, here's a quick intro to the mood generator, which is a project available on GitHub, so you can download it into a projects folder. So what we're aiming for is the mood generator, creating the scaffolding for projects that can be open in a modern text editor like Komodo. And these editor project workspaces enable a rapid prototyping workflow for quickly building websites that can be packaged and deployed as existing database apps. Make sure you've got an exist database, make sure you've got the exist database application repository installed. If it's not installed, just install it through the package manager. Let's just drag the Komodo editor over, and let's just drag and drop the Komodo project file into the editor. So here's the project opened up in Komodo editor. So what we've basically got is a build file, and over here is the corresponding targets for the build file. So let's look at starting this off. So we're going to establish first two property files. It's asking for the projects folder where the database is, the username for exist database, password that's not used, and now it's asking us for the build common properties folder properties. So we're going to create a website called with the domain name basicmarkup.co.nz, and we're going to have the abbreviation, and we're going to have this small description, and we're going to have the author create a theme. So it's checking various things here. It's basically what we're doing is want the your host file to resolve to the local IP. We'll look at that later on. So now we've created our two properties files. Username, password, most important. And here's our project properties file. So every time we call initialize, we're going to create a new projects properties file. So here's our domain name, where the directory is going to be located, abbreviation, description, author, etc. Let's go back to the README. So the next thing we're going to create the folder. So let's do that. So now under our projects folder, let's have a look at our projects folder, and here's what the mood generator has created. Let's now deploy. So this actually creates a ZAR file and uploads it to the exist database. And there we go. So we've created a directory, and we've uploaded what's in the directory and deployed it to exist database. So we've got a working functioning website, complete with links and various styles. Let's go back to the dashboard. We'll refresh that, and as you can see, it's now on the dashboard. If we go to the application repository, we'll see it's in the application repository. So here's our website. So that's the first stage of what the mood generator can do. So with the main task is to generate a basic web development skeleton projects in a projects folder. So what we've done is create that project, we've uploaded it and deployed it. So let's have a look at that projects folder. And let's just drag that project into the Komodo workspace. And here we have the project in the Komodo workspace. So that's the generator's created a toolbox for us, a Komodo toolbox, and all these files and folders for us. So let's have a look at what functionality it provides. As you can see, I'll just drag that off screen. As you can see, as we open a markdown file, we've got a preview of the website. As we change some content, the content will change in the preview. If we alter, create another kitty, the content will change in the preview. If we go into our templates folder, we'll go to our articles, and we'll get rid of this footer. Save it, and the footer will disappear. So as we alter the structure of the website, we'll end up with that structure not appearing in the HTML. Get the footer back. Over here we've got calling a data template, so that calls the function, a xquery function. So let's just call the xquery function that doesn't exist, and as you can see, an error page pops up. Get our page back function again. So let's have a look at these xquery modules. There's the nav xquery module. So let's just change something here. We don't like, oops, let's go over here. We don't like home here, let's have start instead. Nice capital letters. And as we alter the xquery file, we'll get an instant preview of what's going on. So basically we end up with a rapid prototyping system. We don't start with wireframes, we actually start with a functioning website. So we're going to do one more thing. Let's alter the style sheet. So we go down here to our www pages, and let's go into our style sheet. As you can see, the style sheet's actually SAS files. Let's just go to our layout. No, let's just go to our colours, and let's just pick a colour. Let's pick a blue colour for the main website, and we'll go down here, and instead of having our solarized green, Let's try this. There we go. A different look and feel to the website. So what we've got here is the www folders, are actually the content of the website and the resource of the website, and all these here get pre-processed. So it behaves like a static site generator. The stuff gets pre-processed, then put in the deploy folder, and then from the deploy folder it gets uploaded. So we're happy with the way the site looks, so let's just deploy it. And there we go. We've got a new kitty. We've altered some content, and we've got a new look and feel of the website by altering the SAS files, which have been uploaded and deployed to the XIS database. Let's go to the dashboard. Have a look at and we're on version 3. Let's check that out. Version 3 of the So let's quickly go back to the move generator and have a look at the README. The created skeleton project behaves like a static site generator. A static site generator takes an input source and generates a functioning website as output. The output website pages can be live previewed in a browser using a local host staging server. So as the input source file changes, a browser reload reflects these changes. So that's what we've basically shown, how we have created a project and how that project, when it's open in Komodo, we can actually end up with a live preview. That's it.